In this video, we will talk about how to apply for Consumer USA auto loans. This will be a practical guide, so like top 10 solutions. So make sure to watch the full video. Navigating the intricacies of securing an auto loan in the United States demands a blend of financial savvy and strategic planning. From understanding credit scores to scrutinizing loan terms, the process requires careful consideration and preparation. This comprehensive guide delves into the essential steps and considerations for applying for a consumer auto loan, providing practical insights and tips to help individuals make informed decisions. Whether you're a first-time buyer or seeking refinancing options, mastering the fundamentals of the auto loan application process sets the stage for a successful and rewarding journey toward vehicle ownership. 1. Know your credit score. Embark on a thorough examination of your financial landscape by accessing your credit report and meticulously analyzing your credit score from all major credit bureaus. Identifying areas for improvement and rectifying discrepancies prior to applying for an auto loan enhances your creditworthiness and strengthens your position as a reliable borrower in the eyes of lenders. This proactive approach not only increases your chances of securing favorable loan terms and interest rates, but also showcases your dedication to responsible financial management, fostering trust and confidence with lenders throughout the loan application process and beyond. 2. Research lenders. Invest significant time and effort into researching and evaluating a diverse range of lenders, exploring their offerings, reputation, and customer reviews comprehensively. Delving deep into lender backgrounds and customer experiences allows you to make informed decisions and select a financial partner that closely aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Consider various factors such as interest rates, loan terms, customer service standards, and flexibility in repayment options to ensure a seamless and satisfactory borrowing experience that meets your long-term financial objectives and aspirations. 3. Determine your budget. Engage in a meticulous and comprehensive assessment of your financial landscape, taking into consideration various factors such as income, expenses, savings, and future financial goals. Calculating your budget meticulously enables you to establish clear and realistic parameters for your auto purchase, including down payments, monthly installments, insurance premiums, and maintenance costs. This holistic approach ensures that you select a vehicle that not only meets your transportation needs, but also aligns harmoniously with your financial capabilities and aspirations, promoting sustainable financial health and stability in the long run. 4. Gather necessary documents. Proactively gather and organize all essential documentation required for the loan application process, including proof of income, identification documents, vehicle registration, and comprehensive insurance information. Presenting a thorough and well-documented application package demonstrates your reliability and preparedness as a borrower, instilling confidence in lenders and expediting the loan approval process with efficiency and ease. Additionally, maintaining clear and organized records facilitates transparency and accountability throughout the borrowing journey, ensuring smooth and seamless communication with lenders and other relevant stakeholders. 5. Pre-qualify for a loan. Take advantage of pre-qualification tools and resources offered by lenders to obtain estimated loan terms and conditions without undergoing a hard credit inquiry. This proactive approach allows you to explore various loan options and assess your borrowing capacity without impacting your credit score, providing valuable insights and empowering you to make informed decisions regarding your financing options. By leveraging pre-qualification opportunities, you gain a deeper understanding of your financial standing and potential loan eligibility, enabling you to navigate the loan application process with confidence and clarity. 6. Shop for the best rates. Engage in a comprehensive and meticulous comparison of loan offers and interest rates from multiple lenders, leveraging online tools and resources to explore diverse loan options and repayment structures. Consider various factors such as loan terms, repayment schedules, associated fees, and potential incentives to identify the most competitive and advantageous rates available in the market. By conducting thorough due diligence and exploring a wide range of options, you position yourself to secure the most favorable loan terms and conditions that align closely with your financial goals and preferences, ultimately maximizing your savings and optimizing your overall borrowing experience. 7. Apply for the loan. Initiate the loan application process with confidence and preparedness, submitting a thorough and meticulously crafted application package that accurately reflects your financial profile and borrowing needs. Providing complete and accurate information not only expedites the approval process, but also enhances your credibility as a borrower, positioning you for timely and favorable loan approval with efficiency and professionalism. By presenting a comprehensive and well-prepared application, you demonstrate your commitment to responsible financial management and instill confidence in lenders, paving the way for a seamless and successful borrowing experience. 8. Review loan terms carefully. Exercise diligence and attention to detail in reviewing and understanding the terms and conditions outlined in the loan agreement, paying close attention to key factors such as interest rates, loan duration, and potential fees or penalties. Thoroughly analyzing the intricacies of the loan terms empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid any surprises or misunderstandings throughout the duration of the loan term, fostering transparency and accountability in your financial transactions. Additionally, seeking clarification on any ambiguous or complex terms ensures that you have a clear and comprehensive understanding of your rights and obligations as a borrower, promoting mutual trust and cooperation between you and the lender. 9. Consider cosigners or guarantors. Evaluate the option of involving a cosigner or guarantor with a strong credit history and financial standing to strengthen your loan application and increase your chances of securing favorable loan terms and conditions. The presence of a cosigner or guarantor can bolster your credibility as a borrower and provide added assurance to lenders, ultimately facilitating a smoother and more expedient loan approval process. By leveraging the creditworthiness and reliability of a trusted cosigner or guarantor, you enhance your overall financial profile and mitigate potential risks associated with the loan, positioning yourself for greater success and stability in your borrowing journey. 10. Finalize the purchase. Complete all necessary paperwork and documentation required to finalize the auto purchase process, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements and confirming the terms and conditions of the loan agreement. This pivotal step marks the culmination of your efforts in preparation in securing financing for your vehicle, allowing you to embark on your automotive journey with confidence, peace of mind, and financial stability for the road ahead. By diligently attending to all formalities and obligations associated with the purchase, you demonstrate your commitment to responsible financial management and uphold the integrity of the loan agreement, fostering a positive and mutually beneficial relationship with the lender and ensuring a smooth and successful transition into vehicle ownership. In conclusion, securing a consumer auto loan in the USA demands diligence, research, and financial prudence. By knowing your credit score, researching lenders, and determining your budget, you lay a solid foundation for a successful loan application. Through gathering necessary documents, pre-qualifying for loans, and shopping for the best rates, you optimize your chances of securing favorable terms. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.